The Minister for Economic Planning and Development, Prince Hlangusemphi, says the region is satisfied that it is making good progress with the implementation of various programs and projects which will positively transform the quality of the lives of people. The minister said this in a press conference at the Royal Swazi Sun.
At the beginning of the week, the meeting for Standing Committee of Senior Officials started and took about 3 days. The SADC Council of Ministers meeting is scheduled to take place from Friday to Saturday before the 36th Ordinary Summit for Heads of State. Speaking in a press briefing, the Minister for Economic Planning and Development, Prince Hlangusemphi, said the Council of SADC Ministers will receive progress reports on a number of implemented programs and projects.
Council will also receive the annual report on implementation of the Regional Infrastructure Development Master Plan, RIDMP, in support of the industrialization program. In the areas of energy, water, transport, ICT, meteorology, and tourism, Council will review progress made with the Sustainable Development Goals approved by heads of state at the United Nations General Assembly in New York. As a region, we are satisfied that we are making good progress with the implementation of various programs and projects, which will positively transform the quality of lives of our people.
The minister is expected to take the chairmanship from Botswana during the SADC Council of Ministers meeting to be held at Lozita. Polile Mazia Fabrice Musonera, Ezulwini.